I want to show you how we generated 107 requests for quotes and $35,000 in revenue for a local painting company called Rightcoat. Rightcoat is a locally owned business here in Barrie, Ontario, right here in beautiful Canada, that serves a variety of residential and commercial customers. Their primary service? Painting. They came to us with a very simple challenge. They just wanted a steady stream of customers and leads that they can convert into customers so they could reliably grow their business. It's really hard to run a professional trades company, a professional service company, without knowing where that next lead is coming from or where that sale is coming from. What we do here at Suit Social is help businesses like that build their brand, generate leads, and acquire more sales through a variety of digital marketing strategies, primarily, in Rightcoat's case, with Facebook and Google Ads. We do this with a unique 5-step advertising process and a strategy that we call acquisition branding. And that's exactly what we put in place for Rightcoat. The result, as I said, 107 requests for quotes. That is actual customers saying, I want to know more about your services. I'd like you to come to my house and quote it out and tell me what you'll charge. That is real customers, real inquiries, and $35,000 in revenue after closing almost 30% of those leads. How we did that is really simple. As part of our acquisition branding strategy, we go through a 3-step process. The first is building brand awareness. The second is lead acquisition. And the third is what we call lead nurture. So if I'm going to walk you through those really quickly, they work like this. At the awareness level, we took some high-level video content that showcased Rightcoat and the services they provide, the work that they do, the customers that they serve. Really think of it almost like a TV commercial. And we put that out in front of a very targeted group of their ideal customer. The goal, build as much awareness as possible so as many people knew what Rightcoat was, what they did, and who they were. Once we had done that, we have another campaign, which we call our lead acquisition campaign. And that one was very simply putting together what we call a perfect offer. And a perfect offer is something that is just easy to sell, enticing for customers, profitable, and repeatable. We helped Rightcoat figure out what their perfect offer was, and then we built a lead acquisition campaign to put that offer in front of their customers. But not just any customers. We were retargeting people that have already known the brand and engaged with the brand in that awareness stage, which was the first campaign that I just mentioned. So going through that, we have the awareness ads that were generating all this awareness for the brand, and then we're retargeting that awareness on Facebook and Google with the perfect offer. Now you're probably wondering, what about all the people who don't take up that offer? They don't opt in, they don't come through as a lead, or maybe they do come through as a lead, but they never really pick up the phone, they're unresponsive. We've all dealt with that. That's where our third campaign comes in, and it's the bottom of our acquisition branding strategy, and that's called our lead nurture campaign. With this campaign, we retarget all of the leads that have either opened up your form or come through and aren't responding with what we call social proof. These are testimonials, reviews, anything that's going to really build up the service and the brand and convince those kind of on-the-fence leads to make the decision and come through and ultimately make you the sale. So we set up all 3 tiers of that acquisition branding strategy within Rightcoat, and as you saw, the results were fantastic. 107 quote requests, as we mentioned, and $35,000 in sales. You can read more about this case study and how we did this and how you can do the same thing in your business by clicking the link somewhere under this ad or just going to www.suitsocial.com and visiting our success stories page, where you'll find Rightcoat's success story and a bunch of other businesses that we've helped do the exact same thing. Hopefully, we'll be helping you next.